This is the door coming out of the pinhead area in our haunted trail. Have some more of these chains here. Suddenly overhead, that's our drop gate. It's kind of sturdy. We made it well. We had a body on it last year. Made it a whole lot louder. We had people laying on the ground screaming. Hey Josh. Hey. Show us how you work it here in a minute. We had a coffin. Here's the slam window. Okay.
Pull it up.
Yeah.
You wait until the middle person comes, and then you drop it. It scares the crap out of people.
Cool. Whose idea was this?
Yours.
And you always scare the middle person, right?
Yep.
Good deal.